sports equipment.
Had it coming.
Okay, Bernard. Now you're gonna get yours. Uh-oh. What's this thing's problem? It's not.
It's because the little tail came off.
It's not.
Okay.
Hey. That's why it came off and he ate it off.
He's biting it. Alright, let's see it go. CJ, stop.
Yeah.
He's gonna kill it. He's gonna rip it.
Hey! He figured out.
He figured out to go for the tail.
Ooh, that hurt, didn't it?
Oops.
Maybe I think this battery's dead. Hold on. This battery has no power. I shall return with another battery. You are going to meet your maker. I need to get the charger. Probably puts a better charge. It probably gives them a better charge than the batteries do.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see. We got a nice fire.
Oh, it's on, Bernard. It's on.
Stockings.
Right? Donkey Kong.
Let's see. We'll go see our tree. Pum-pum-pum-pum. It's stuck in my bum. Presents. Open presents. Rag garland.
Alright, buddy.
New Gloria. Hello over there. And it's down. Babe, can you flip your bird?
Yeah.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, babe, I can flip my bird.
At least it has the little light on it, because I can't really see it through here. Woohoo! Stop letting the dog bite it. He's gonna get it.
Bernard.
CJ. What's he doing?
Bernard?
Maybe he's gotta go to the bathroom. Let him out.
Come on, pal. Now he's scared of it.
He probably nipped him good. Probably got him.
See, him just getting a little better.
Yeah, you're getting a little bit better. Oh, there's TJ.
Ready?
Oh, nice.
I did that on purpose. I landed it on him.
TJ, you alright? You gotta go potties?